Hey guys, how are you doing? Some users recently mentioned that iPhone swipe up not working, whether it is in lock screen or iPhone home screen or within any third-party application. The immediate troubleshooting step that you need to do is, in such cases when the swipe up is not working to let you navigate between apps or access the multitask window that shows all the recently opened apps. In such cases, the only first troubleshooting step you need to do is doing a simple force restart, because the shutdown screen may not be accessible when you press and hold both the volume down button and side button. Whether you are in a stable iOS update or whether in a beta iOS update version, it doesn't matter. If the iPhone is stuck, then doing a simple restart is what required. So if you're not able to access the slide to power off screen, the shutdown screen, by pressing and holding the volume down button and side button for 2 to 3 seconds, then we need to do force restart. To do the force restart, you need to press and release the volume up button once, then press and release the volume down button once, then press and hold the side button for 10 seconds. I'll also show the steps to do the force restart on the screen so that you can follow them by pausing the video and see whether the step helps you to fix the iPhone swipe up not working on iPhone problem. After this force restart, you should be able to unlock your iPhone with the iPhone passcode, and you will be able to access all the applications without any problem. If it is a rare scenario, it happened only once, then no issues. If the problem is happening repeatedly, then the force restart alone will not be helpful. What you need to check to fix the issue permanently is navigate inside the settings application, then go inside the battery, click on battery health. Right now I'm running iOS 26 beta version, so the interface may be a little bit different, but in the couple of months you will also get the iOS 26 version on your compatible iPhone. Then the interface will be exactly the same. Check the battery health percentage. If it is 80% and below that, like some people even use it with 72% or 73%, it is possible to use based on your usage. But if the battery health goes below 80%, then such hangs or the system not able to function properly could cause the iPhone swipe up not working properly. So you need to visit the nearest Apple service center to get the battery changed. Then you can expect the phone to be performing normally without any hangs and hiccups, and the swipe up or any other functions will not stop working after that. So the force restart is a temporary workaround to help you fix and access the iPhone contents. So changing the battery is the first working troubleshooting step that you need to follow. The next important thing is, if the battery health is above 80% and still you are experiencing such iPhone swipe up not working, then you need to navigate inside the settings, general, software update, and make sure that you don't have any pending software updates. Update it to the latest iOS version so that any bugs that is causing memory management issue or the hangs and hiccups, lags and everything can be fixed with the latest software update. Each update brings so many bug fixes and security fixes, so any memory related issues that is causing such problem can be fixed with software update. So make sure to update to the latest software to prevent the issue from happening in the future. So that is all. This is how you fix the iPhone swipe up not working. And the same steps can be tried on the iPad. This will also works very well on iPad if you experience the swipe up not working on iPad. Thank you so much for watching. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.